Christopher Schur is not the victim. Patrick is. His family is. His children are. So that's what we want to bring more awareness to Patrick.
Family, friends, and supporters of Patrick Lyoya rallying in Grand Rapids this afternoon ahead of a key court date that involves the police officer who shot and killed him after a struggle during a traffic stop back in April 2022. Thanks for joining us. I'm Janice Allen. Fox 17's Marisa Oberle went to today's demonstration and brings us their message tonight.
People at Thursday's event said they wanted to show their support for Patrick's loved ones and think a panel of judges should uphold the charges against the now former GRPD officer involved in his death.
Justice for Patrick! Justice for Patrick!
A familiar chant echoed through the streets of downtown Grand Rapids on Thursday as a few dozen people, including nationally known civil rights attorney Ben Crump, marched in honor of Patrick Lyoya, a 26-year-old Congolese immigrant who died in 2022 after one of the city's police officers, Christopher Schur, shot him during a traffic stop.
What I'm saying, let us stay strong and let's keep fighting.
Through an interpreter, Patrick's father, Peter, held out hope that Schur would be held accountable for what happened. Next Wednesday, the Michigan Court of Appeals will hear oral arguments to determine whether he should stand trial for second-degree murder. Separately, a judge ruled earlier this week that a civil lawsuit against Schur could continue. He dismissed Grand Rapids from it, though, because lawyers failed to show that inadequate training from the city led to the shooting.
We feel confident that the city ultimately will be brought before a court of law because the video is so clear.
Crump, who represents Patrick's family in that matter, disagrees, but did not say whether he planned to appeal the decision. Meanwhile, community members plan to keep Patrick's legacy alive each step of the way.
It doesn't matter how far you push away a name, you can never push away a memory, and you can never push away the pure tragedy of a soul that was taken before their time when they didn't have to be.
Now, there's no time frame for when the Court of Appeals may make a decision about Schur's criminal charges. His trial remains delayed until that happens. Reporting in the control room, Marisa Oberle, Fox 17 News.